Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the file and immediate share settings. Upload your video and open its sharing options. Choose restricted or add specific viewers only. Once done, click Advanced to access viewer settings and uncheck options that allow editors to change access. Make sure you are the owner of the file. Ownership controls the most powerful restrictions. These first steps prevent broad exposure and prepare the link for the non-download measures you'll apply next. Now apply the viewer-level restrictions that stop casual downloading. In advanced sharing, select the viewer role and uncheck Download, Print, and Copy. This prevents browser menu saves for most users. Also restrict access to signed-in Google accounts only so anonymous users can't bypass controls. Do not grant editor or commenter roles. Those roles restore download rights. Once these settings are locked, the embedded player will tend to block simple save options, finish by controlling how the video is delivered. Embed the file without direct export query strings and share only the restricted link. Test access using an incognito window or a separate Google account to confirm download is blocked. If someone still downloads, revoke the link immediately and change ownership or remove the user's access. These steps force cache invalidation. If persistent leaks continue, consider a dedicated DRM or streaming service, because Google Drive's protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.